In this STEAM-focused project-based unit, students investigate how meteorologists measure and forecast the weather by engineering weather instruments. These instruments are designed by each group of students with facilitation from the teacher and with significant limitations on resources, allowing them to use their problem-solving abilities. Students then use the instruments they created to collect data on how meteorologists measure and forecast the weather. Students then process the data by developing an understanding of measurement and graphing. Some of you can be in the news station at the actual recording studio with the weatherman, like being a real meteorologist. Other of you can be recording live from a different location. And you can make a background in the green screen that looks like Texas or looks like Atlanta or whatever.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the students use the data collected to create a script that forecasts the weather, just like what a meteorologist would do. This task integrates performing arts along with technology, which highly engages students. Students also create weather maps and backgrounds using various forms of technology that go along with their scripts. Students record and act out their scenes in front of a green screen to realistically forecast the weather. The meteorologists do this too. They look at a screen over here on this side and they look over there to see where they're pointing at because they can see their hand on the computer. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so you kind of just have to it's kind of hard to do, but you kind of have to still look at the camera, which will be right over here, but you also kind of have to focus it on there. Kind of pretending that you're looking at the map, but really you're looking at the computer screen on it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Students practice and practice their scripts in front of the green screen in order to get the shots just right. Finally, students use editing software to splice their forecasts together. This project encourages students to become both the director and managers of their learning process. And through the integration of STEAM, students learn how to combine the use of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics in order to problem solve and present their findings in an engaging and meaningful way. They make real-life connections through building their own weather stations and becoming true engineers and meteorologists. The 10-day unit plan is filled with resources including videos, interactives, handouts, formative assessments, and rubrics. This is Stuart Ogburn, 4th grade teacher, Norton Park Elementary School.